What's up, guys? We're at Main Street Cycle. We got the Villain on the left, and we're putting the stage 3 kit, getting ready for these big tires. Some 35 Zillas on factory wheels, factory A-arms. Later on, I'll be changing A-arms and going to an even bigger tire. So me and Harmon, since I was here, I figured I'd get a professional. We're gonna throw the Team MSC Stage 3 clutch kit in there with the Helix. And
making all that noise.
you're good. I didn't do a very good cleaning job. Huh?
You was doing all that talking and you just...
Oh, now I'm gonna let you do what you do. We'll get that belt box out of the way. It's nice in 25. They gave you this in the way now too, huh?
Yeah.
Should have better airflow though in 25.
Everything's better in 25.
That's for sure. Segway fixing the issues. And we also started the download on this unit to get the tune sent off and uploaded back in it later on today. And I have been nothing but pleased with the 25 Segway Villain 1000, but there's just, you can always make something good, great, and that's what we've been working on with the tune, clutch kit, and tire upgrade. We also have the Team MSC rear windshield, Super ATV flip up. These are factory tree kickers from Segway, and I got a matching bumper for it and a factory spare tire carrier with no spare tire. But the RJWC exhaust will go on here, be nice with the tune. Do you not want to come off?
No.
Alright, so just put the secondary spreader bolt in there to get the belt off. And that's something that you need to have in your go bag whenever you ride. Made in the USA belt on that thing. How's it look for 100 miles?
Burn up.
I wouldn't be surprised with me driving.
No, it looks good. We'll check it out when I get it out of there. Somebody will show me how to get it out of there.
It's a tight squeeze. That's reverse thread.
Yep. Left-handed.
So on the primary left-handed thread, make sure you do not forget that. 36 millimeter will take that nut off, and a 20 millimeter. So that's 2 more sockets that you need to have in your go bag. You need a table? You want me to get you a table? You want me to get you a table?
No.
All right.
Regular through.
Alright. So Harmon's removing the ramps.
Yep. Or a helix, whatever you want to call it. That's all it is.
And they probably need to be careful with that, don't they? Since it's tiny.
Little bitty bolt, so it don't take a whole lot. That's that.
Now we compress it
Now we're gonna put a spring.
and change the spring. All right, so we got the secondary compressed, and we're going to remove this snap ring to work, to be able to change the spring. And make sure you put your snap ring back in there before you compress it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I did my other one, you get to compress it twice.
Nah, it'll go.
Oh, you can work it around. Oh, I got you. There you go.
Just didn't know what you're doing.
That's right.
It is easier to
Yeah, to
lay it
just
in
go
there
ahead and
then
lay it
go
in
there,
there.
Yeah.
Just the size comparison of the actual spring. How much bigger that one is. So the only thing that holds it down is that snap ring. So they're actually simpler.
Yeah, there ain't
I mean, no clocking,
keyway.
no keyway to fight. Just keep it straight and put a snap ring on it.
Yeah. Just that cup's got a little spot.
Yeah, that you want to make sure is back in.
And then the snap ring's got a little seat down in there for it to sit in. You just have to make sure all that's lined up.
So
Release it.
very simple with the Team MSC clutch compression tool. You can do this at home with no issue. And I'll have a link for this clutch kit and the compression tool down below. Alright, so we got the primary pulled off, the outer sheave of the primary. Pull that cap off. those 3 little Allens out. Drop your spring. Put the washer in there. Good time to inspect and clean your clutches. And then your cup.
Well, it's just the limiter sleeve.
Limiter sleeve.
Okay. And then we'll put this one right home.
And you're gonna want to run them down pretty evenly.
Yeah.
And you'll feel them bottom out. And then we'll change our weights. These got big weights compared to the CF Motos. And make sure you put them in the right way. Oh, they'll only go one way. Okay.
You'd be surprised.
Yeah. If this cup does not fit level with about a 1/2 inch gap, then you got something wrong. Yeah. And then basically you'll do reverse of what we did to take it apart. It's a good time to clean your belt box, make sure there's no dust or dirt in there, check your seals. And if you're not an experienced mechanic, I would probably do that with a ratchet. Especially if you only have one big 1/2 inch gun. Compress your secondary to get your belt to go back on before putting your primary back together. It'll be easier on you. And it's as simple as that. We have the stage 3 with the works. Gonna be a new beast with the Team MSC tune and clutch kit. work your belt back out. And then put all your bolts back in to hold your belt box off like you did to take them off. And remember that you're tightening into aluminum. So that's all it takes to have a clutch kit fully installed. Doesn't take really long. Of course, doing it yourself will take you a little bit longer. Or if you do not feel comfortable, you can bring it to Main Street Cycle and have Harmon do yours like he did ours. But the next one, I think I'll be good to do at the house. I did my other ones. So thanks for watching. I'll have all the links for the clutch kit, the compression tool, and the Main Street phone number where if you want to call and schedule yours to get a clutch kit installed, you can do so. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Y'all definitely want to see the follow-up video of us in this tuned with the 35s from the YouTuber Takeover weekend. We're going to give it the full send and see what it'll do. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we got the clutch box opened up, and this machine has 118 miles on it of pretty rough riding because I did not do a good job of braking. And yeah, we're doing it all.
Every bit of it.
Every bit of it. Everything. 100%. When you got the professional here, you might as well get it all done. It is nice they give you room to kind of work on this though. Even with the tire on, you could get to it. Kind of. It don't look like it's been rode that hard though.